College Bidhi Bro Session Part the Light League Result Mentakasni Penmi po Mpsc Mentakasni Kedai Arp Sautarik September Arajar San Tingni Page kita ipus kawai pakawai. Kene kawai kebaningkong the result of the interview for the post of Junior Engineer Grade 1 supaya Electrical under PhD Department April 2025. Kikateng jong kredit kilong Shri Richard War Khas Jaintia and Shri Ragwel Armarak Karo and Srimati Riksilchi B Sangma Karo category. Igine kiba along successful nam ta kane post Junior Engineer Grade 1. Kabar kane kade jong post the result interview for the post of Inspector of Legal Metrology in the Office of the Controller of Legal Metrology April 2025. Kane bapa Shri Mervin Joshua Warlarpi Khasi Jaintia category. The sakawai bat Kane kadai jong post the result of the interview to the post of liaison officer in the office of the officer of special duty Mekli House, Guwahati and Mekli House, Vellore under General Administration A Department April 2025. Bayo ilong Shri Babidor Marwain on reserve category and Shri Kennedy George Nongsij Khasi Jaintia category. Te kini laitali kiba penmi result haka Arab Sautarik jong 9 September arajar Arab San. Tangine jom tip Krishwan.